first time you use your XDSolo, be sure to charge it for 12 hours or overnight. For the longest battery life, charge after every use and at least every 3 months. Please note, the XDSolo charging port is only to be used with the XDSolo. Using it with lower voltage devices can ruin those devices. To turn on your XDSolo, flip the power switch from off to on. This switch can be found in the bottom right corner on the back of the XDSolo. For best results, set your XDSolo master volume to medium when you turn it on. Press the select button on the teacher microphone to control volume levels for the teacher and handheld microphones. To pair your XD teacher microphone, it needs to be powered off. Check the battery light. If it's on, then power off the microphone by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds. Press and release the red link button on the back of the XDSolo. Next, press and hold both the power and record buttons on the teacher microphone until a beep is heard from the speaker. Your teacher microphone is now paired with your XDSolo. To pair your XD handheld microphone, first turn off the microphone by sliding the talk button down. Press and release the red link button on the back of the XDSolo. Next, press and hold down the link and talk buttons on the microphone until a beep is heard from the speaker. Your handheld mic is now paired with your XDSolo. To use the Bluetooth function on your XDSolo to play audio from an external device, push the Mode button on the back of the XDSolo below the LCD screen. The LCD display will change to say BT and will flash a Bluetooth symbol. Enable Bluetooth on your device. Find TQ8 and connect. Once paired, the Bluetooth symbol will stop flashing. To turn off Bluetooth, push the Mode button again. For more information on operating the teacher and handheld microphones, please view our XD microphone in-service video.